Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So we're actually in my backyard and I am getting ready to leave for the airport to head to London. So excited about this trip. I am meeting so many fun people there, some great things planned. I just have a little 6.5-hour flight between me and all the good times. Flight leaves at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and arrives at Heathrow at 11 a.m. So I'm hoping I get some sleep. So I'll see you guys soon. I am here, finally. I am here in Kensington. I am at the Hotel George. I am so excited to be here. It is a glorious day, so I'm not gonna talk for long because I wanna get out there. I wanna start walking around and doing lots of fun stuff. I'm meeting a friend for dinner, but I wanna show you guys the world's smallest hotel room, which is actually so perfect for me. I'm thrilled, but I have to just go back because you know how I love to do my room tours for you guys. So this is when you first walk in the room. Sorry that the light is a little bit bad. And you just have a little narrow corridor. And then I have a TV and my twin bed, which is actually bigger than a twin. It's actually more like, not quite a full, but not bad. And we've got great outlets next to the bed, which is really helpful. A light. It's a boutique hotel, typical. Really nice mirror, there I am, and that's it. Oh, I didn't show you the bathroom. I know you guys like to see the bathroom, so we'll go show the bathroom. So the bathroom is actually quite nice. Nice shower, very clean, plenty of, well, one towel. That's not gonna do, I may have to ask for more towels. And hairdryer on the wall, and very nice. And there I am again, very nice, clean and bright, if you guys can see. Everything is very nice, clean and bright in here. The price for this hotel was quite reasonable. Let's have a really nice mirror here. So I'm really happy with the accommodations for the price I received in the location right here in Kensington. So this is my tiny house for the next 5 nights. So can't wait to bring you guys along on all the adventures. I didn't show you the best part, which is the view. I look out onto the gardens, which is really, really lovely. I don't know if you can see that. But really nice view out looking over the gardens. Happy about that. Well, that worked out very well. After wandering around South Kensington for a while and going for about a 2-mile walk from my hotel, I wound up exactly where I wanted to be, which is the Victoria and Albert Museum. So I'm gonna go wander around here for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get on the underground, which is right across the street, and head over to the Pancras Station, where I am meeting Karen for fish and chips. It's gorgeous today. I'm gonna see if I can show you guys how beautiful it is. I'll try to walk over to the street. The museums in London are all free for the most part. I think all of them are free. So that makes it a really great place to just stop in and look at different museums. Victoria and Albert is something I went to when I was a kid, and I'm really excited to go see again. The Victoria and Albert Museum, and it's very loud here, but I'll show you. I have my cream tea, I have my scone and clotted cream, and now I officially feel like I am in London. All right, so I met a friend and she took me to the German Gymnasium, which we're pretty sure used to be a German gymnasium and now is an amazing German restaurant. And we had such a good meal, and this is my friend, it's Karen. Remember me? She's back. I see her in Paris. Hopefully someday I'll see you in the United States. I know. So she came to meet me for dinner and it was so good.
It was really good.
And it wasn't that bad. I mean, I paid, so cover your ears. But with, like, you don't tip here the same. So I did like a 2
Your voice
pounds.
is too loud, I can still hear.
I did like a 2 £50 tip in addition to the 12% service charge.
Yeah.
So that's what you do. Tell me if I'm wrong. Like if a service is like above and beyond.
Yeah, you do a bit extra.
You do, but not a lot extra.
No.
So it's not anywhere near the 20% you would do in the US.
Like 15 is like really good.
Yeah, because they pay their servers a living wage.
Yeah.
So anyway, it was $75 even with the additional tip with a bottle of wine.
Except in pounds.
Except for in pounds. Oh God, I just realized that. So it was a lot more dollars. But even so, what is that like? 75 pounds is like $110? Not
it's probably just less than 100. About 100.
We have no idea, but it was really good.
But we had like dessert and a bottle of wine and
we had those extra fries that were good. Okay, so where are you taking me now?
Oh, we're gonna go into St. Pancras.
Which to an American, St. Pancras sounds like a medical thing that you would go
Well,
to.
yeah, I guess because Pancras is a...
So we'll see you in a minute. He doesn't even have a tip jar. He's just playing the piano.
Oh, yeah, people just stop and play all the time.
He's really good.
Yeah.
Beautiful piano too. Okay, Karen, where are we?
We are... Oh, we're just...
St. Pancras Champagne Bar.
Yeah.
I'm cheating because there's lights.
Circe's, I think.
Circe's? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, St. Pancras Champagne Bar by Circe's.
Yeah.
And we just learned that this is 150 years old. You can see the amazing ceiling. You know, this is why it's good to have friends that are locals, because I never would have come here on my own at night like this, you know, and known that all this was here. The shops that we showed you guys earlier are down there. And then there's an actual train over there.
Yeah.
It's going to take people somewhere. I don't know where.
And we're in like a sort of faux train booth, right?
Yeah, that's kind of the vibe. That clock is very cool. Karen, what did we just do?
I don't want to press it again in case
I know. This button says press for champagne, and when you press that, people come and they bring you champagne. Oh my gosh! I felt like I never really ended the vlog last night, and that, as I am wont to do when I'm having a fantastic trip. So last night, so the day was amazing. Hopefully I'll have some footage for you guys of the Victoria and Albert Museum. Having tea there was lovely, and I got my Oyster Card. So if you guys, I will show you, in fact, hold please. I will show you my Oyster Card. I'm very excited about this because now I feel like I know what I'm doing and I am a master of the underground. Here is an Oyster Card. So what you do is you buy this at any of the underground stations. They are very reasonable. Mine started with $15, and you can top it up at any of the kiosks that they have at all of the underground stations. The thing to know about an Oyster Card is it does get you on all of the buses. It gets you on the underground, and some of the trains, depending on which ticket you bought. I bought the 1 and 2 zones only, which I think I may regret because I am going into Greenwich probably on Thursday, but that's okay because it will just tell me that I need to put more money on it, so that will be fine. This does cap out, so it's a certain amount per day, but at some point you don't have to be paying anymore. So since I'm going all over London, I'll probably top this out every day. The underground is super easy to use. There is a great app called City Mapper that you can put on your phone that will tell you exactly what line gets you where, and always double check that it isn't quicker to walk, because sometimes it is, and if it's a nice day like we're going to have today, then that may be more fun.